So today we're going to be cooking a classic, authentic, traditional style Bolognese recipe. We'll start off with our bacon. You want 250 grams of bacon. You want to get that all nice and diced up. Then we want to dice up 4 sticks of celery, 4 carrots and 2 large onions. Then we'll get 2 tablespoons of oil into our pan, and then we want to add in our bacon and get that nice and crispy. Next, you want all that diced up veg, get that into your pan, and then add to that 3 minced cloves of garlic. And to that, we will add 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Give that a good mix, and we want to cook that through on a low heat for about 10 minutes. Once that's all cooked through, I'll add 500 grams of beef mince, 500 grams of pork mince, get that all mixed in there and get it all cooked until it's nice and browned. Then add 250 millilitres of wine and cook that for about 3 minutes until the alcohol is all burnt off. And once that's burnt off, you'll add a tin of chopped tomatoes, 200 millilitres of passata, 400 millilitres of beef stock, 250 millilitres of milk, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Then you want to get all that mixed together. Bring it to the boil, leave it to simmer for about 2 hours, really get these flavours mixing together, get the sauce nice and thick. And then once that sauce is thickened up, just give it a little seasoning with some salt and pepper, get that mixed in. Then serve it up. I'm serving it up here over some spaghetti. Once it's served up, you can give it a nice little sprinkling of some fresh grated parmesan. And that's it. Classic traditional spaghetti bolognese, and I guarantee you it is sublime.